This gele is 4 years. You can see I've made my pleats already before I place it on my head. I think that is the easiest way of making your pleat. That is, you make the pleat down before placing it on your head. But if you want to do it directly on your head, it's still okay. But to save time, that's why I make this pleat before I place it on my head. You can see what I'm doing. I divide the gele into two. So one hand, the two hands are equal. So I'm trying to trace the one that is behind my ear now. So anytime you are tracing your gele, make sure you pick the one that is behind your ear directly. Because if you twist it like you pick the wrong one, you see that anytime you make your pleat, it will not be neat. So the best thing, just check before you make your pleat. So you can see what I'm doing. Just watch carefully. This video is not difficult, just for you to focus your eyes and you will understand the whole thing there. You know, when you are tying gele, just take your time. You need time to tie gele. Don't rush. Like this video, now I've edited it. You can see that it's more faster than other usual or normal video. So if you are tying your gele, don't feel the time is, you are not getting it. That maybe somebody posts within 4 minutes or 2 minutes and you are using 10 minutes to tie. It's okay, because you don't know how the person edited his own video, his or her video. So you just take your time and do it gradually and you get a beautiful gele. So you can see what I'm doing. This gele is 4 years, but it's joined together. This type of gele is it's not like the separate one that you have to sew together. No, this one comes like this. You know, like you see the hand there, the thread that is in the edge there. Truly, that thread will really give me, like, it will give me tough time if I'm going to end this gele. But what you need to do is, if you have this particular gele or this type of gele, the one that have thread at the edge like this, my own now, what you need to do is just to trim it out and you sew it. So that is just the best thing to do, so that when you are tying your gele, you will not find it difficult to tie, because by the time you want to end it, that is where the problem will rise. So you just watch carefully and see the way I'm going to end this one now. So thank you very much for joining me. If you are seeing me for the first time, this Gold Bridal, please don't forget to give me a follow. Guys, please follow me for more detailed head wrap. I have other video that is slower than this that you can learn from me. That is, if you are not getting this, but this one is a very simple style that you can get. You can easily understand. So you can see we have come to the end of our round gele. I have told you in one of my videos that we have different ways of tying our round gele. This is the back. So you can see that we have our round gele. Now, if you cannot control one hand, because there is this one we tie with just one hand, that is with just one longer hand, and you control it out. If you cannot do that, this one is another way that you can tie it. So you can see that I'm converting this tie now to another one. So if you are tying your gele, I'm telling you that if you can create, you can use one particular base of gele to convert it to like 4 to 3 styles, if you like. That is, if you can create different thing, that is, create different style by yourself. So thank you very much. So hope you like this video. Please support me and share this video. That is the only way you can support me. Help me to share this video. Help me to share so that others will get to watch. And even if you don't like it, don't worry, I still have other ones on my page that you can watch. I have many videos there, 1 minute, 2 minutes, and like that. So thank you for joining me once again. You can see the same base now. I'm using it to tie another style. So you can convert your base like this tie now to different type. It's just for you to know how to create, that is all. So you can see this one is another way of tying your gele. this one, like I'm creating something like mountain at the top there. You can see that hand I was telling you, that thread is not easy to tie with this particular gele, though the gele is strong, like it's thick, but you really need to tack that edge very well inside so that the thread will not start showing. So if you know, the best thing for you to do is just to remove that thread and sew it, so you enjoy your gele. So thank you very much. So this is the back of my gele. So you just take your time and stuck it inside. So and that is all. Thank you very much for watching. Till we meet again in my next video. Bye bye.